So this is the final outcome of a project. So in this project we mainly work on we created a AI agent which is helpful to fix the bugs and check the code errors, like how the ChatGPT works. So we made that much of advanced, but we tried with by using Gemini API key, and we built a coding AI agent. So this is the landing page. So we can fix the bugs faster with AI. So what we did in this project means bug analysis, auto fix, explaining of the code, and AI assistance we used here. And three mainly steps are: first we are going to paste the code and choose the action, then get results. So first of all we are going to make a sign in. So we are going to make a register. Okay, so I am going to create the and password length should be 6. Okay, so here we got that analysis page. So suppose I'm going to give print. So I'm going to give wrong code. So we will analyze this how it's going to show, and it's going to make analyze because we use real APIs, right? See, so the provided code snippet consists of single entirely malfunction token. It is not syntactically valid in a common. Okay, so now we are going to make a fix this code. We will see what we will get. See, this is the correct code. So if you want means we can check whether it's for so many people are out. If you analyze means every time you will get a same output, but if you analyze means so we will get the output, so there is no bugs in this code. See, the provided code is single functional and statement with syntactically correct and without runtime errors. It extremely mimics nature, means it lacks any border context purpose. So CVRT info, and there is no bugs in this. Okay, and now we are going to write one more, I'm going to write HTML code body. So just I'm going to write like this, and I didn't close anything, and I'm going to make analyze this code, so you can check how it's going to work. So tag is syntactically incorrect. It contains a question mark character which make it invalid HTML syntax. Okay, so this is the overall explanation, bug details. Okay, so now I'm going to make a fix of this. So if we click fix on this, so we are going to get a fixed code here. So once it analyze, see, so here we got a fixed code here. Okay, yes, we can copy and paste here and analyze. So it's going to give us a positive result as well as that negative results also we are going to get. Like if we write any wrong code, if we are going to paste any wrong code also, so we are going to get. So there is no issues found. Okay, so that's the first one is the explanation, and we can ask the question also. So I'm going to ask write a program for palindrome using Python. So I'm going to send. So here we got the code for a palindrome. Okay, so first one is converting lowercase filter to. So there is a different types of palindrome programs we have. So it gives that 2 to 3 examples for that. Okay, so and we can check with different project code. So Python, everything we can check here, and we can get the explanation of the particular code also. If you click on explaining, so already summary it gave. Summary means previously we got that missing doc type declaration, like we got box. The summary, see this is summary. So now what the code we have. So we are going to make explanation. This code defines a very basic HTML document structure, displays a main heading and short paragraph or text within a web page. So this is the overall outcome, and this is the final outcome of a project.